Loves, welcome to Styles by Tara Love Diva. And today on Styles by Tara Love Diva, I received a package from a vendor on Amazon, and it's some hair. Now this hair here I received, I have not gotten paid to do this hair review, so I did not post that video, but I will post a video talking about how the hairstyles I've created with this so far, which was only 3. With that being said, today's video is about hair, and I'm going curly for a couple of months, and we're going to see how that works. So with that being said, we're just going to get on in with it. I don't know what's the lengths of the inches of the hair. So prime came nicely packaged. I already cut it open because we on camera. Nobody had time for that. This is 3 bundles and a closure. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's start off with, oh, we have some lashes. Now this is the hair. I will put a picture right here of this card. It says, "Hi, sweetie." And I don't have my glasses on, but anyway, this is the hair that they sell, the hair closures and wig. Interesting. And you also have like question and answers about the hair. It's right here and right here. I will at the end read the card when I get my glasses. Let's start off with the closure. We're not gonna make this video long because this is just a unboxing. This is a 14-inch closure. 14 inches. Hope this video is in focus. And it's time to change up, because I'm going to cut this hair into a bob. A long bob, not a short bob. Because this hair is starting to tangle. That's probably why they haven't paid me. This is a 14-inch. It looks more like 12 inches. But we're going to go with it. This is 4 different parts, which is cool. The lace is, it's not hard lace. This is human hair, but some human hair comes with some hard lace. This one is not pre-plucked. I will pre-pluck this one. It doesn't have a smell to it. See what the curl pattern is. Okay, we can see it's short up here. See, it's kind of thin down here and thick up here, if you know what I'm saying. Because the real hair stops right here. So I'm getting a lot of short pieces in here. Interesting. We'll see once I make the wig. Getting flyaways already. And this is curly hair. That's interesting. To be honest, I would say this closure is a 8-inch closure. stringy. It's stringy. But we're going to work with this. We're going to see. And I'm going to talk about it all the way until I make the wig. We have 16 inches bundles. We have 16 inch, 18 inch, and 20 inch bundles. So let's see what they all look like. So far, I'm not pleased with that closure. Okay, this is 16. We're looking in the light. Okay, so far it looks like it's a 16 inch all the way through. That's until I open it. We shall see. This is not bad mouthing. I'm giving my unboxing, my first initial thought when you take it out the box as far as the density goes, because at the ends of, like I said, the closure, it's thin. That's not shedding, but it's not, I mean, it's not shedding, but it's, I guess because I pulled it. We gotta test it to see what it does when you wet it. But anyway, this is the 16 inch. It has some thick wefts, so that's a good thing. Let's open the 18 inch and see how that density is at the end. Because when they say it's a certain length of hair, but it's really not, because it's stringy. The bottom of the hair is stringy. Now that's what I'm kind of getting with the 18. It's not that stringy, so that's a good thing. I hope. But like I said, when you open it, it's something totally, it kind of is thin at the end. See it? But your girl is going to make it work, like she always. Now let's check the top. This is just the initial unboxing. I don't know much about the hair until I take it out of this wrap here. So I'm just speculating on what I see right now. I don't want to say this is good hair. Oh my God, it is soft and it doesn't have a smell. See, it's stringy at the bottom. See right here. So it's technically not 20 inches, because at the end right here, I will end up having to cut because it's stringy. So when you get, ooh, excuse my language, when you do the curl pattern, like wet it, it's just going to be stringy at the ends. But once again, once I make the wig, unravel this, wash it, and we shall see in the next video. So with that being said, this hair company is I will put the name of the company right here. I can't see it on here. But yeah. So thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love. Yes, this was a short video because this was an unboxing video. I need to test this hair to see if I really want to make this wig, because I don't want to waste my time and the wig is crappy. So what we're going to do is we're going to test it with water. Just cut a piece and test it with the water. See how it dries. And all that great stuff. So I will be back. I will actually probably test it on camera. I'm not sure. So with that being said, Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. My lips look so bland, and I have on Milani lipstick. This video is cute, but we're gonna roll with it because I already recorded. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the hair that I received from a hair company on Amazon. Don't sleep on Amazon hair. Like I said, it's not bad hair. I'm just have to construct the hair. Make the wig, wash the hair, see how it turns back into its natural pattern. Because right now it's getting fuzzy just by me doing this, which is a good thing because I like kind of big curly hair. If that makes sense. I like big curly hair. 20 inches will go here.